Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace fucking stock door speakers with some actual good ones. These ones here and here, obviously you can't tell because the car's not running, but they are blown out. They thump and vibrate as if it's a 12-inch sub. And you know what, I'm kind of over making my door rattle. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to take off the door card and you know what, get these things swapped over. But you gotta really Alright, now we're done mansplaining. Here we go, I'm gonna show you how to change these things. First, we're gonna start off by getting these door cards off and moving that out of your goddamn way. So you first just start off by opening the door, and then you wanna get underneath. You wanna pry this bitch down. You wanna pry it down. I know it looks scary, because it is kind of scary. But you slowly just try to... Yeah, there you go. So once you get the first crack, you'll be able to wobble it all the way around. Oh, and you just be able to straight rip it right the fuck off. Motherfucker, dude. God damn it. At least we still got one tab. These cars are so brittle. I mean, this car sat in the sun for 5 years up on a ranch. So you know what? It got sun baked. Shit happens. It'll still be able to click back up in there like nobody's business. You won't even be able to know though. Let me grab this one. We're gonna pull this off because this one is connecting the door card on. Alright, remove that one. And then we're gonna come down in here into your light switch one. Well, actually on the 06 and 7s, this is all one piece. But we're gonna have to get this clip out. And this should just, okay. Yep, should just pop right out. I'm just gonna use that to hold the other bolt as well, just because you don't want to be losing nothing. And then, once you got everything else out, it's pretty much just tabs at this point. So you want to just literally come to the front and just start pulling. I know it's scary. I don't like pulling anything off either. There might be, is there a little tab bolt right there, a little black one?
There is, yes.
Okay, yes. Yes. See, it's gotta remember this go around, because one couple go arounds ago, I just completely spaced that one. Oh, the Bremau. Get that little clip out, and then we'll be able to take this door card right off. Besides the switch. Switch. Alright, I'm just gonna go for it. Yeah, it just pops out. I was just being a little girl. Alright. Then these clips can certainly not be your friend, that's for sure. These clips can certainly not be your friend. I don't want to push this little white tab. Don't be a fucking bastard. It's like, I'm gonna need... Perfect. You need 2 sets of hands, I guess. Fuck. The door card should just come right off. Ta-da. Ta-da. I'm just gonna slide it in here because I don't want it to get scratched. Okay, now we're here down to the main dealio. The main dealio, we're held on by 3 bolts. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. We want to hear how it crackles. You're not supposed to do that. I just put a dent in the cone. Just put my finger right in it. Whatever, fuck them. Don't put your finger in the cone. Get this fucking hoopty out here. We held in. God damn. This bitch gross. This bitch grody. Well, fuck. This might not be a direct replacement. I have to cut that motherfucker off. I just don't know which one's power. Do a little unboxing. Unbox upside down. Let's see. Yeah, a little different. Perfect. What we got here? A little bit of motherfuckage. Yeah, I can dig it. Alright. I'm gonna move this so they don't come crashing down. I'll show you guys in a second. I just learned it out. Alright, so I'm looking on the back of this. I was looking to try to find the diagram online to see like the actual schematics, but I was just like, you know what? Let's just take a look. Subaru does it right. We're on the actual Japan one, this piece of fucking junk. Got the negative and the positive, and it's this one. So let's just say we're gonna plug this hunky-dory back in. It's only gonna go one way, right? Like you can't. Yeah. Okay, so blue and yellow is power. I want to see if this was right. No. Actually, I'm gonna jump over, take the other side off, and I'm gonna see what that one says, just so I can reference it. This one's already off. I didn't have this one. I guess this one was already previously broken. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna have to find something. And then we're gonna do the same to this one. Remember, it's not that. We gotta do it right here. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this fucking bitch out. There it is. I'm probably gonna have to take the door card off first. Is there a thing right there?
Nope.
There's not?
Nope.
Awesome. We're just gonna like so slide it through. You can rest it. I got my feet there. And this is the bitch part. This is the bitch part. Check you out. And then the door card can come sliding right off. Okay, let's get these fucking bitches. Alright, we're pulling this bitch off. This one's also nasty. Let's see, positive. It's the same ones. Why are they saying it's different? That's so whack.
It's grody.
Yeah, is the negative one the red one over there too? Red one's on the bottom. Red one's on the bottom near the clip. That's the negative. Okay. Red one on the bottom. Okay, that's the negative. Okay. So first, we're gonna do. I think I'm just gonna cut the clip off. Okay. That was easy. Okay, that's probably good, right?
I think so.
Alright. So we got the positive is the big one. Okay. Or do you smash it? Maybe that's what you do. Maybe you get clamps and you smash it. You okay?
Yeah, she just caught the fuck out of me.
Okay, I got it in there. And then I'm gonna stick this end in there. Okay. Testing, testing, testing. I got that thing like almost to the other metal side. Now, we take this red one and we slide it in the ass end, and then we bury it as deep as she will go. Yeah. Oh yeah, that went right there. Let me give a little more with a squeeze. All right, and that's how you. And now you have a positive and a negative connector. And all you do is you take your new little 4-inch speaker. And obviously there's one big and one small. And it's already got the little hook, so all you have to do is literally just slide it on there. Oh, I didn't mean to bend it. Stupid ass. All right, and then we're gonna just slide it in there. We're gonna face it up all bitchin', and then there's a faceplate that comes with it. Let's see. Alright, so we're just gonna get these tacked down. Alright, do you think we should slide the keys in and just hear a little something?
Sure.
I ain't folding under pressure, I ain't switching for no hoe. I ain't talking to no cop and I ain't telling on my bro.
Alright, now that we got the speaker installed, we're gonna put the door card back on. So it's just by these little two hooks right here. So it's kind of gotta line the door up on the sides where you're looking right now, and then you kind of gotta line it up around here too. And then it just kind of slides on, and then it'll be hooked by both pink things. Then you pretty much just start going around and you just pop it in the rest of the way in. Pop that in, pop the bottom ones, come over here, pop them all in. And then pretty much just start backwards working. We take these little two guys and we're gonna pop. Are we missing? Oh, cause we took 2 bolts out, so we're actually gonna be missing 2 bolts because we used 2 silver bolts or black bolts. I mean,
That's
you know what I'm saying? Okay. And then we're just gonna pop that in, and then it's just 1 bolt holding it down. Like that. And it's just a simple snap back on and plug and play. Should just slide, click, and then it just has a little tab right here, and then it just clicks in the back right here and right here. So it slides in, and then it should just boop, and then you'd put that piece back on, but we didn't have it over here. But I'll show you on the other side. Fuck that clip, and then we grab the knife. Okay, that's probably good. Okay. okay. And just to make sure, we'll line them up. Fat sides on that end. That's the positive. So we'll run the positive. Run the positive up in there. Maybe I should get it in there and then pre-clamp it. That'd probably be smart, huh? So it's coming through, and then I'm just gonna give it a little so that it ain't gonna come on back on through. Straighten it back out. Still the positive side. Okay, come on down to the blue positive wire. Okay, got that bitch in there deep. Give it a nice little squelch so that she don't come on back out. All right, then we're gonna do the next one. We're gonna do the negative. Bitches squelch. Okay, just like that, we are ready to connect the new speaker. So I had to do just on the insides. Just on the inside. So
I'd get the plastic piece out real quick.
does it matter, do you think?
Just make sure, you know.
I don't think it
No, fuck
matters.
it.
I don't think it matters.
Fuck it. I like it.
Uno. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. And just like that, we're out. We're out of the juice. We are out of the juice. So we're gonna take the big one to the big one. Skaboom. Small one to the small one, negative to the negative. Oh. Skaboom. I'm gonna cut that out. Okay, now I'm gonna mount this one right here. I might just leave it in, we'll see. Okay. Ready to get the top one started. Instead of the... And I'm just gonna make it happen. Oh, did I go a little too far? Did I get a little greedy with it? And just like that, we're gonna inch this bad bitch up in there. I wanted the bolts angled so that it kind of tightened this thing down. If it feel me. All right, I dig it. Let's put the door card back on. And just click right on like that. All right, is the back one in?
Mm-mm.
It's not?
No.
Not all the way.
Because of this. Yeah, there it
There
goes.
it is. There it is. And then we'll just click the rest of it real quick. To get the door card to stay on. And then click that fucking thing in. What? Boom. I'm just gonna screw that one bolt back in. Alright. And then the actuator. If you guys can't tell, I'm absolutely pumped. This thing has sounded like shit for the last year I've owned it. This last part is the hardest to come out, but the easiest to go back in. It literally just, plus it's broken now, so it's gonna be really easy. Right on in, like it's nothing. And then we're gonna place that last screw. And then it just screws in. You don't even need a finger, or you can just finger tighten that thing. I'm just gonna put this last little one back in. And just like that, your door is back on with new door speakers in, just for the rears. The fronts are 5 1/4 with 1-inch tweeters with components. So hopefully in a future video I'll be able to get those and we'll change those out. Thank you guys. Peace.